Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Starfall Shards outside Meteor Shower event in Heartopia. So in Heartopia, most players maybe think you can only collect Starfall Shards during the Meteor Shower event, but actually that's not completely true. You can still collect Starfall Shards event after the Meteor Shower ends, as long as the server hasn't reset yet. So here's how it works. Let's say the meteor shower happens in the morning and ends around midday, like today, like this, like this. So even though the event is over, the Starfall shards don't disappear immediately. They actually stay on the map until the next server reset. And in Heartopia, the daily reset happens at 6 a.m. server time. So that means after the meteor event ends, you still have plenty of time to explore and collect any remaining Starfall shards scattered around the map. Like today, meteor showers happen in the morning, and after that, at this afternoon, I still can collect this Starfall. Like this, you can see it. The meteor events is already ends, but I can still collect or found this Starfall shard. Like this, I will collect it, and then I will go to another spot. Like this, I found it again. Like this, you can see it as I can still collect this Starfall outside the meteor event. So this way is perfect if you missed the event or didn't have time to farm earlier. But just remember, this only works if the next reset hasn't happened yet. And once the server reset, all the remaining shards will be gone. So don't worry if you miss this meteor shower, you still have a second chance. And okay, that's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!